Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create an amazing gaming logo animation in After Effects. Okay, here we are in After Effects. First, create a composition. I called it main, with a width of 1920 pixels and a height of 1080 pixels, a frame rate of 30, a duration of 10 seconds long, and a background color of black, and hit OK. Create another composition, call it logo as a logo placeholder, use the same setting, and hit OK. Let's import the logo. I already downloaded some logos here. Let's import the logo. Drag the logo into the logo composition, and manage the logo size. Let's create another composition. Name it Logo Animation 1. Use the same setting, and hit OK. Drag the logo composition here. Move the slider a few frames forward, and open the position property to add a keyframe. Open the opacity property, add another keyframe, press U to see all the keyframes, move the slider a few frames backward, and set the position value and opacity value to 0. Select all the keyframes. Press F9 to ease them, open the graph editor, and make a graph like this. Select the Logo Animation 1 composition and make a copy of it. Double-click to open the Logo Animation 2 composition. Press U to see all keyframes. Open the Scale property, add a keyframe. Press U to see all the keyframes, and set the scale value to 0. Move the slider 2 frames forward. Move the position keyframe. Move the slider a few frames backward. Set the scale value to 100. And move the slider 3 frames forward. Set the scale value to 0 and the opacity value to 0. Select all the keyframes, press F9 to ease them, open the graph editor, and make a graph like this. Let's create another composition. Name it Reveler. Same setting, and hit OK. Jump to the rectangle tool, make a rectangle, align it into the center, and go to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Gaussian blur effect. Apply it into the shape layer. Set the blurriness value to 500. Jump to the layer, New, Adjustment layer, and rename it Mosaic. Jump to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Mosaic effect. Apply the effect. Set the horizontal blocks value to 30, and set the vertical blocks value to 30. Okay, guys, our Reveler is ready. Now let's create another composition. Name it Animation 1. Use the same settings, and hit OK. Drag the Reveler composition and Logo Animation 1 composition. Hide the Reveler composition. Jump to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Time Displacement effect. Apply the effect. And set the Time Displacement layer Logo Animation 1 to Reveler. Like this. Jump to the Project tab. Make a copy of the Animation 1 composition. Now double-click on the Animation 2 composition to open it, delete the Logo Animation 1 composition. And drag the Logo Animation 2 composition, again drag the Time Displacement effect, apply the effect, and set the Time Displacement layer Logo Animation 2 to Reveler. Like this. Okay, now everything is ready, let's build the final animation. Jump to the main composition. Press Ctrl Y to create a solid layer, name it BG as a background. First, drag the Animation 2 composition. Jump to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Shift Channels effect. Apply the effect. Set the Take Green from Full off, Take Blue from Full off, and set the Blend Mood from Normal to Screen. Make a copy of it. Jump to the effect. Set the Take Red form Full off, Take Green form Green. Again make a copy of this. And set the effect. Set the Take Green from Full off, Take Blue from Blue. Now displace the composition. Few frames forwards like this. Make a copy of Animation 2 Composition. Remove the Shift Channels effect. Jump to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Find Edges effect. Apply the effect. Invert the effect. And move the composition a few frames forward like this. Now drag the Animation 1 composition. Move the composition a few frames forward. Make a copy of the Animation 2 composition and move up to the Animation 1 composition. Make a copy of it. Jump to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Directional Blur effect, apply the effect. Set the blur length value to 175. And move the composition a few frames forward. Nice. Jump to the Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Rename it Noise. Go to the Effect and Presets tab. Search for the Noise effect, apply the effect. Set the amount of noise to 2%. And uncheck the noise type or clipping. Now check the animation. Nice. Now let's change the logo. Jump to the logo composition. Import the new logo. Drag the logo here. Adjust the logo. And hide the old logo. Now jump to the main composition. And here everything is updated. Check the animation. You can also create a background. Jump to the BG layer. Go to the Effects and Presets tab. Search for the Gradient Ramp effect, and apply the effect. Pick the eyedropper and choose color from the logo like this. Set the ramp shape to radial ramp. Swap the colors. And adjust the color like this. Here our background is ready. Now let's check the animation. Cool. Here we are, done. Create amazing gaming logo animation in After Effects.